In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat column headers in every page of print in Google Sheets. If you've ever printed a long spreadsheet only to realize page 2 and onward don't show your column names, this quick setup will save you time and prevent confusion. We'll select your header row, freeze it so Google Sheets treats it as a header, and then enable a print setting that repeats it on every page. Start by opening your Google Sheet and confirming that the very first row contains your column titles, like name, date, amount, or whatever labels you use. Click the row number on the far left for the first row to select it. This single click highlights the entire row and tells Google Sheets which row we're treating as the header. Next, go to the menu at the top and choose View. From there, open the freeze options and select one row. You'll notice your header now stays put at the top while you scroll. Freezing the row is important because the print setting we'll use looks specifically for frozen rows to repeat. Tip: if your header spans multiple rows, freeze the exact number of header rows you use so they can repeat together. Now let's get it ready for printing. Open the File menu and click Print. This opens the print preview screen. On the right side, you'll see a panel with print options. Find the section labeled Headers and Footers and expand it if it's collapsed. Look for the option that says Repeat Frozen Rows and check that box. Instantly, your print preview should update, showing the header row at the top of every page. If you don't see it, double check that you froze the row earlier and that the correct sheet is selected. While you're here, it's a good idea to scan the preview pages to ensure your headers look clean and aren't cut off by margins. If necessary, you can adjust scaling or margins in the same panel to fit your content better. This won't change the steps we just did, it simply helps your printout look professional. Once everything looks right, proceed to print or save as a PDF and you're done. From now on, as long as your header row is frozen, checking Repeat Frozen Rows in print will keep those column names visible on every page, making reports and handouts much easier to read.